Hello everyone, I am the Monster Game Dev, and welcome to the second devlog to Love Sucks. Now, my voice is going to be a little hoarse for this. I'm actually sick right now. My voice is getting better. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but I am, because I've done a lot, and I don't want to do any more without making another devlog, so here we are making this. So, as you can probably see over the game view, I've done a lot. And this is just all with the level design. So this is supposed to be Valentine's Day themed. I gave you this big banner here. What the heck was that? So I'm just going to real quick go over everything. Everything's mostly level design. I added a few extra things, so I'll just go ahead and play in this so you can see things that have changed. So most notably, you can see I moved the little cooldown timers just so it, looks a little nicer. And more importantly than that, I added some new objects. So last time, it was just the chairs that would break. Now I added these tables right here, and there's a couple other things that you can break right over here. So really the only other thing is actually these benches over here. So if I come over to this bench, it also breaks, same as the chairs and such. So if I throw this, it breaks into its billions of pieces and such. Same as everything else. I really like breaking these because, well, they break a lot. Whoa, dang, that thing's flying. So yeah, that's the little changes for just extra objects I added. These balloons don't actually do anything, by the way. I added this food stand because, little food area. And you can see I attempted making people here. They're rather terrifying, but I did what I could. You can also do this. Yeah, you can go to people too. So that's a fun thing you can do. I added some food to it as well. The slam is still just as fun. Ram still works as well. And yeah, things are pretty similar here. Just mostly level changes and such, adding a few new objects. A big change was these little barrels right here. I had to make the texture myself. It wasn't difficult. But these things are great. Because they're like the slam, but more powerful. So if I throw this, boom, do you see that? It's even more powerful than the slam. This one actually adds a point, because I'm actually trying to add a point system right now, but I decided I would take a breather from doing that and do another devlog on what I've changed so far. So yeah, little change right now, mostly level design, adding some new objects, new features and such. I think it looks nice. There's also this, I wasn't going to mention it, but there's a secret area. Not technically secret, but you gotta find your way to get up here. There's these two rooftop parties that are going on as well. Of course, you got your barrels up here as well. You can wreak havoc on everything if you want to. Toss that down. Blow stuff up. Go ahead and do your slam. That's going to hit the ground and blow up. Yep, that's satisfying. And yeah, things are fairly similar here. Same as down there, just having a fun old time destroying everything. And then you can use this pole to actually walk ahead over here, get to the other side. So, loads of fun stuff you could still do. Dang, that's a bigger explosion than I remember to be. Boom. So much fun. I love just screwing around with this. So yeah, mostly level design this time. Nothing crazy or anything. But still, a lot of changes. Anything really notable? I guess not. I guess it's mostly just kind of just, adding new stuff to the game, just adding the design of everything. It's rather important. Design is important and such. Something you really need to focus on, because otherwise if your game works great but doesn't look good, it's not going to be so much fun. So yeah, that's just all the design and such. There's all the destruction and chaos you can cause. I guess I can go ahead and show you the couple little things with the scripts and such. Nothing crazy. They're pretty similar. Like the where is it? Like I added a second grab script. It's the same as the last one. It just I had to add a couple extra things for the points. I was experimenting with that, and then a couple extra things for the explosives, because the second grab script is specifically for the explosives. And after that, you have the break bench, exactly the same as the break chair, just the arrays are a little longer and such. Still trying to figure out a way so I can not to change each array directly, just be able to change anything that's in the array, but that's something I gotta figure out. Everything's pretty much the same. The kill is specifically for the people, so you can pick them up and throw them and such, because otherwise if they're not, I have to set them to that makes sense. I have to set them to is kinematic so that they don't fall around, because I need to have a rigid body and gravity enabled. However, if the is kinematic isn't on, they're just going to fall all over the place. So this just lets them turn, we'll turn it off and such. I think if you throw something at it, I think that's what it's for. And everything else is pretty much the same. The only difference here is the score system and such, but that's not for this devlog. So yeah, you're going to get a big overview of the whole town. Add these roads going off. I kind of want to add cars that kind of drive by every now and then, but I'll decide whether I want to or not. I mostly added these buildings kind of turning a corner so you wouldn't have to, so you couldn't just see off the map. This way at least it makes a bit of sense. I'm going to add some invisible walls down the street a little ways and around the park and such, and I guess around the buildings, because I don't want you to be able to walk out of here or anything. But yeah, so that's not a whole lot has changed, just mostly design and such. It's a lot different from last time when it was just a bunch of buildings around me and a stack of chairs. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool now. Maybe 1 or 2 changes will be made throughout this time I'm working on it. But I'm not sure if much else will change. Pretty simple stuff right now, yeah. Yeah, still sick here. I really shouldn't be recording this. My voice is still pretty hoarse, but it's alright. So yeah, next time, I'll be going over the UI, what? A little off today. I'll be going over points and such, and be adding that next time, but we'll get to that when we get to that. For now, things are looking nice, at least. Leave my list open right here. So yeah, I got all this stuff done. I was going to add cops that would come after you afterwards, but I decided against it. That's not the point of the game. The point of the game is to just destroy everything. Even if I don't want really cops kind of interfering with that. So yeah, this time, level design, that's all complete. Enemies, because I guess they're your enemies, the people, they're complete as well. Next time I guess I add scores and such, high score and things like that. Then it's just, simple stuff with music and sound and effects and such. So I'm going to worry about that later now. So for now, hopefully you did enjoy this devlog for Love Sucks. This second devlog anyways. More tutorials coming soon. I was going to do one today, but as I said, I'm sick. So yeah, tutorials will come back soon once I'm better. So maybe tomorrow. But till then, I will see you guys in the next one.